Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use insiders with jesmonite. So this is an insider that I have made. You can order this on my Insta page, and I'm just going to mix jesmonite. First I added liquid, and now I'm going to add the powder and mix it slowly, and halfway through I am going to add the retarder so that I can work for a longer time with jesmonite. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now I'm just going to add neon orange pigment by colorberry and tangerine pigment. These pigments are for jesmonite. And now I'm just going to add these jesmonite chips, and I'm going to try the terrazzo effect. And I'm just going to add these around the border. I'm not going to add it on top of the insider mold. I'm just going to add it around the insider mold. I'm just going to add plain jesmonite, plain orange colored jesmonite inside the insider mold. That is because I don't want any air bubbles coming inside the insider mold. I'm taking the orange pigment and mixing it. I'm just going to tap it so that I can get rid of the air bubbles. So I just want to fill the mold till the top, so I'm just adding the leftover chunks of jesmonite. Now I'm just going to add another color of jesmonite to fill the mold till the top. I'm going to add a baby pink color by Mrs. Colorberry, and I will add the color mystery in it. I really like this color. It gives a really soothing effect. Now I'm just going to tap it a little bit, and it's been about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'm just going to demold it. It's still a bit hot. Can't wait to see the result. Okay, so are you ready? Here we go. I'm just going to remove the extra jesmonite that came on top of the insider mold. I'm just going to take my palette knife and scrape it off. As you can see, you cannot see the jesmonite chips that I put inside, so I'm just going to sand it off. And this is the best part, demolding an insider. Now I'm just going to sand it off. I have taken a 240 grit sandpaper and I'm sanding it off. This is a very long process. First I used 240 grit, then I moved on to the trick to sanding is that you must use a lot of water for jesmonite. You will have to keep on washing it off so that you get rid of the extra jesmonite that stays on top. As you can see, the chips have become a little bit visible, and now I'm just going to sand the back side and the sides properly, and we are finally done. Let's see how it looks. Here is the end result. Wow! Stay tuned for part 2 of this video.